For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get Canva Pro for free. To do that, first thing you need to do is to go in Canva and make sure you're logged in. As you can see here, I have this button, Try Canva Pro. So click it. You can try Canva Pro for free trial and a span of 30 days. Other ways to get Canva Pro is go open New tab and go to this website. In this area, scroll down until you find Canva Pro free link and click it. Next thing you need to do is to join any team to have an access and pro version. Here it says that it reached its limit, so go back and find another team. Just be patient in finding teams that have available slot. When you are done finding a team, just click Start Creating, and now you can use your Canva Pro for free. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.